Ozor and Dorothy fight after he played an expensive prank on her. I think this year's edition will be the most interesting season yet of the popular Big Brother Naija show. These lockdown housemates are not slowing down at all as they keep giving highlights. Recently, Ozor and Dorothy have been serving us friendship goals, and it was viewed by many to be a stepping stone to an awesome relationship between the two favorite housemates. Yesterday, Ozor got into trouble with Dorothy after he pulled an expensive prank on her by threatening to go sleep in the head of house room with Nengi since Watoni has moved out. This didn't go down well with Dorothy, who appeared to be fed up of being in an intense love triangle that exists between herself, Ozor, and Nengi. Dorothy was so upset because Ozor chose to play such prank using Nengi when he is well aware that Nengi also has feelings for him. Recall Ozor was caught severally when in deep discussion with fellow housemates, stressing that Nengi is a speck in the house. So this statement by Ozor makes most housemates see Dorothy as an obstacle to the Ozor-Nengi ship. Right now, Dorothy has chased Ozor out of her bed. She also said she needs time to think about herself, and at some point she will stop talking to him. Do you think Ozor and Dorothy will reconcile these differences anytime soon? Let me know what you think about this Ozor, Dorothy and Nengi love triangle by leaving a message in the comment box below. Please, if this is your first time of viewing my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.